In this video, I will show you 3 different methods to take screenshots on the Redmi 15C. So let's get started. For the first method, just press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Just like that. And as you can see, after you press both of these buttons, you will be able to capture a screenshot. For the second method, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, you will find the option of screenshot. Now just tap on it to capture a screenshot. If you cannot find this icon in your control center, just swipe to the right and tap on edit. Now at the bottom of the screen, just tap and hold on the screenshot icon and drag it to your control center. Just like that. And after you add the screenshot icon to your control center, just tap on done to save. For the third method, just go to settings, then tap on additional settings. Tap on gesture and shortcuts, then go to take a screenshot. And over here you will find the option slide 3 fingers down. Now just make sure you enable this option. After you enable this option, you will be able to capture a screenshot by simply swiping down with 3 fingers on the screen. Just like that. And you can find all your screenshots in the Gallery app. Just like that. And these are the 3 methods to take a screenshots on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.